Most welcome, dear students, in this English grammar class. Today we are going to learn a very important topic in this class. The topic compound sentence. Compound sentence. Dear student, it is very important topic for all exams, all school exams and college exams and all competitive exams. So it is very necessary to learn it very carefully. Then start it. Write this topic in your notebook. Then start. Dear students, when we learn compound sentence, then we find two simple sentences in our question. Two simple sentences are given in the question. We should learn carefully this sentence and then we should join these sentences and we should make a compound sentence. But when we join and make the compound sentence, we use some certain compound conjunctions. Then we start one by one. First compound conjunction, write first compound conjunction and. First compound conjunction is and. Use. Write use of and. Use of and. We use and to join two simple sentences. We use and to join two simple sentences when they are similar in meaning. Complete? Reply please, yes or no? Complete?
Yes.
We use and to join two simple sentences when they are similar in meaning. Similar in meaning. I say already. We should learn carefully these two sentences. We should decide similar in meaning. We should decide that both these sentences are similar in meaning. As Ram is a good boy. Rohit is a good boy. These sentences are similar in meaning. Ram and Rohit both are good boys. So these sentences are similar in meaning. It means we can join these sentences with and. We can join these sentences with and. Complete? Process, second point, process of joining the sentences with and. Process read the sentences carefully. Read the sentences carefully. We should write the similar part of sentence only one time. In process, you have written this complete. Read the sentences carefully. We should write the similar part. Please underline these words. Similar part. We should write the similar part of sentence only one time. It is very, very important fact in joining process. It is very important point, very important words. These words should be underlined. After that, use conjunction and between different parts of the sentences. After that, use conjunction and between different parts of the sentences. Complete. Process, we should explain this in detail. Read the sentences carefully. Our first of all, we should read the sentences carefully. We should write the similar part of sentence only one time. I again write sentences as Ram is a good boy. Rohit is a good boy. These two simple sentences. Compound conjunction and is given in bracket end of the sentences. It means these sentences you have to join these sentences with and, using and. Process, again read carefully. Process, read the sentences carefully. Ram is good boy. Rohit is good boy. Read these sentences carefully. We should write the similar part of sentence only one time. This means, first of all, we should recognize the similar part of sentence. Similar part of sentence. Is a good boy, is a good boy, is the similar part in both sentences. Is a good boy, is a good boy is a similar part in both sentences. Clear? Then again we should read process carefully. After that, use conjunction and between different parts of the sentences. Different parts of the sentences. Different part of the sentences. But we complete this rule. Complete. Third point. First point is use of and. Second point is joining process of simple sentences. Third point is some important notes. Three important facts. One. Change the singular helping verbs into plural. Change the singular helping verbs into plural. In same group and tense. As is into or into was into were, has into have. First note, first important fact, we must follow this rule. We must follow this note in joining process of sentences. Complete. Second note. Remove article a or an. Remove article a or an. in the similar parts of the sentences. Remove article a or an. Correct this. Remove article a or an in the similar parts of sentences. Yes, this is second note. This is second note. Third note. Almost. Common noun is given in the end of the both sentences. Common noun is given in the end of the both sentences. We should change this noun into plural. We should change this noun into plural in joining process. In joining process of sentences. Complete. Are you understand these three notes come clearly or not?
Yes.
Then we take some examples. Write in your notebook and join the sentences with all these rules and three steps. Use of and, three steps means use of and, process of joining sentence, and important facts या important notes. 1. Ram is a good boy. Rohit is a good boy. Join these sentences and make a compound sentence using with and given in bracket end of this sentence. Follow total process. First of all, we should decide, we should define, we should recognize that the use of and the similar sense in sentences. The sentences are similar in meaning or not. Ram is a good boy, Rohit is a good boy. Both are good boys. It means these sentences are similar in meaning. We can use and. Clear? Then we talk about process of talk about process. Process in the process of joining the sentence, you have written similar part of sentence. We should write one time. Similar part of sentence we should write only one time. In the different part of sentences, between the different part of sentences, we use and. Ram and Rohit. These are different part. Between Ram and Rohit, we have used and. Clear? Now we shall have to write this part of sentence only one time, because it is similar part of sentences. What are some important notes? 3 notes we should follow in this process now. Singular helping verb should be changed in plural in same group and same tense. Is or. Ram and Rohit are. Then second note, remove article a or a. Remove. We should not write a or a. Okay? After that, third note, in the end of the sentences, we find a common noun. In the end of the sentence, in the end of the both sentences, common nouns are given in both sentences. Boy. We should change this common noun into plural. It means boys. Ram and Rohit are good boys. Ram and Rohit are good boys. Good boys. Can you understand it?
Yes.
Then we take one more example. Mohan plays football. Ravi plays football, and it is very easy, but it is related to present indefinite tense. We shall have to remove s when we shall join these sentences. It means similar part of sentence. Recognize the similar part of sentence. Plays football are the similar parts of both sentences. Okay? Then different parts of sentence. Different parts of both sentences, we should use and between different parts of sentences. Mohan and Ravi. Mohan and Ravi. After that, we should write the similar part of sentence. In the joining process, we should carefully use our some important notes. Three notes. Here, not a helping verb, main verb. Complete. Okay.